Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol DF. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame, and does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then just makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Very nice movement today. Got the breakout, had been started to go sideways, and then got, like I said, the upwards move today, which brings about the first key level of support to watch going forward, and that is down here at $1.60. Why is $1.60 important? Well, it's very important in the sense of you want to see the price continue to make progress for going forward. And if the price were to go down here, and I'm not saying this is what's going to occur, but if it were to go down there and then break to the downside, at that point in time, what would you have? Well, from a very literal perspective, you'd have the price right back inside of this range of the chart where it was before the breakout occurred today. And not to insult your intelligence, but price movements that go back to where they were, not any sort of sign of power or anything like that. Whereas on the flip side of things, let's see the price went down here. However, in this situation, behaved like that and then started to work its way back upwards. What would you have in this scenario? Well, you would have lows right there. You'd have some lows right there. You'd have some lows down there. If you envision each one of those as stair steps, well, what you have? Well, hey, now you have stair steps making progress in the upwards direction. And again, that's the name of the game. That's what a truly strong move is going to do. It's going to make progress going forward. And again, that quote-unquote progress point, I'm quantifying and defining right there at $1.60. As far as areas of resistance are concerned going forward, next key level to watch is going to be that former area of support, which sits right up around the $1.77 mark. If the price can break through $1.77, then watch that pink line up there, which in my chart is denoting the famous 200 period moving average. However, one hurdle at a time, and the first hurdle is going to be that $1.77 mark. But at the end of the day, resistance levels really don't matter that much, and I say that because what matters the most is what we already talked about. It's all about building those stair steps. As long as these stair steps continue to be built in the upwards direction, then over time and given enough time, everything else takes care of itself, including breaking levels of resistance. So nice start to the week. Let's see if the bulls can build upon this momentum or not. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.